Hello world, my name is Emani Edwards. You judge me without knowing me, but like you, Jamaica is my home. Sometimes I do not want to be here. Imagine if you constantly had to live in fear because of who you are, taking private taxis to safe spaces to feel free to be yourself. Why does it matter who I love or my private sex life? Why are so many LGBTQ plus Jamaicans being discriminated against? My hope for Jamaicans is to be more accepting of who we are and people and their differences. I am Jamaican. We are Jamaicans.
And we fight, but tonight we're gonna be alright.